guys, welcome to today's video. So today is Star Wars Day, and I thought it would be super fun to do a Rey-inspired makeup look. Now, last year for Star Wars Day, I did a kind of like a dark side Rey-inspired makeup look. This time we're going to be doing a light side Rey-inspired makeup look. I wasn't going to do a hairstyle for this video, but I'm going to do it anyway. So we're going to be doing Rey's hair from The Force Awakens, so I'm actually going to be turning around so you guys can see the hairstyle when I'm doing it, and it's also going to be in the voiceover, by the way. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a small section of hair and I'm going to brush it through, and then I'm going to take a clear elastic to tie it off. Then I'm going to take the next section above my ears and I'm going to tie it on the last rotation. I am not going to pull the hair through the elastic. Then for the next section, I'm going to go right in the middle of my ear, and I'm going to do the same thing that we did for the other little bun. Then I'm going to do it one more time so I have 3 little buns. And this is the finished hairstyle. I'm going to now go ahead and pull a little bit of face framing pieces out on both sides, and then I'm going to take a hairspray. I'm going to use the Paul Mitchell hairspray and just kind of just spray this all over my hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime the face using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Even though I am going to go in the eyes first, I just want to get my skin nice and prepped. Now, all the time when I do my eyes, I start with the brows first. I'm going to do them quickly off camera, and then I'll come right back. I'm going to do a updated brow routine and for a future video. So, okay, so next I'm going to prime the eyes. I'm going to take the same primer that we used to prime the face to prime the eyes. And I'm going to use the eye prime brush from Anissa Beauty. And I always like to set it right after. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the translucent one. I'm just going to take I'm going to take the Echo Tools large eyeshadow brush and just set the eyes with this. Okay, it doesn't look like this. I like to do the eyes one at a time. So I'm going to take a piece of tape and we're going to place it along here so we can get a really nice crisp line. Okay, we have the tape and I like to kind of stick it on the back of my hand just to get it not super sticky. Okay, then I'm going to apply this to under my eyes. So I'm going to start it kind of like at the end of my eye up towards the brow. And that's how you want to place the tape. So in the movie, Rey doesn't really wear any eyeshadow or basically any makeup, but I just so I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in bronzer. I'm going to, let's use this brush. Okay, so I'm going to take the Morphe and Ardell brush number A20, and I'm going to take this, and we are going to apply this on the entire lid. I want to bring it into the inner part of the eye and kind of what's left on the brush, and I'm just going to bring it up towards the brow. And then I'm going to take a blending brush. This is Morphe and L'Oreal brush number A11. I'm just going to blend this a little bit. Now we can do some eyeliner. I'm going to take the Colorpop liquid eyeliner in Grande. I'm just going to place this kind of right in the middle, kind of like where the pupil is, and then do a tiny bit of a wing. Actually, first I'm going to tight line. I'm going to take my Morphe and Ardell brush number A16. We're going to take the Colorpop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette. We're going to take Bedrock. We're just going to apply this kind of right in the lash line, kind of like in between the lashes. Okay, now that is done, we're gonna go back into the Colorpop eyeliner and do the same thing like we did before, like we were going to. I'm gonna start in the middle of the eye. Do a tiny. Then I can take this tape off. I'm going to first clean up anything that is under the lower lash line. I'm just gonna go into the Bedrock color in the Colorpop That's Taupe palette, and we are going to set the Colorpop eyeliner with this. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye really quickly off camera, and then we will continue with the look. Okay, so now this eye is done. I'm actually going to be waiting on till the end to do my mascara and lashes. So now let's go into the face. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer again. I feel like I need a little bit more of this on. Foundation, I wanted to use something that's a little bit light and a little bit of a glowy type product. So we're going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I really like this one. This is amazing. I do have also the Charlotte Tilbury one. They're definitely a dupe for each other. These two products are amazing. I have this one in shade 2. I'm going to start applying this. Okay, what I like to do is I don't like to use my fingers when applying this product. I like to use a brush. I'm going to take the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush to apply this. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, and this is going to go underneath the eyes and on any blemishes. Okay, to set the face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder and to set the T-zone first. And with the bigger brush, I'm going to take the same powder and just set the outsides of the face. To bronze up the face, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to take the Jafra blush in Rose Oro. I was going to do a highlight, but I'm not going to do a highlight. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. For lips, I wanted something a little bit soft. So I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in Nude Pink and line my lips with this. Then I'm going to take the Colourpop So Glossy Lip Gloss in Spring Fever. So I have a lash video on my channel already, so I'm going to link that video down below for you guys to watch. So I'm actually going to be applying my lashes right now, and then I'm going to come back and we can finish the look. Okay, now I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara in Blackest Black on the bottom lash line. I mean, bottom lashes. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Bear With Me multitasking spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!